Look at those beauties there. What a fantastic sheen on there from the egg. We need to know, don't we? Oh, before I do that, look at that. Oh, they're still warm. Look at the crumb in there. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing brioche buns. We're making the rich brioche buns which are full of eggs, butter, sugar, you know the ones. Fantastic burger buns or anything like that. Superb. It starts with some milk. Okay, I've got some milk here and I'm just going to tip in my sugar and we're going to give it a stir. Now there's many different ways to make this and I'm going to make it an easy way. So we just give that a stir in there. Now it's not going to dissolve in here, it's just in here and it starts to put the sugarness around there for the yeast to react to. So we'll shove the yeast in, give it a stir and we're going to leave it to bloom. As soon as it blooms we're going to carry on with the next stage. Okay, look at that, that is absolutely superb. Just put that to one side. This is our flour. So our flour, I've got bread flour and all-purpose flour as usual. I'm just going to go in there with some salt. Give it a mix. Now there's quite a lot of stuff going in here. That's some eggs in there. So we're just going to give that a beat. So there's 4 eggs there actually, because this is a really rich dough. Here it goes, milk and yeast mixture, and we have got some softened butter. In it goes, and we're just going to connect that to the stand mixer. Connects up our dough hook. Up we go. Okay, we're using the stand mixer just for easiness. We're not going to go above number speed 2 and we're just going to knead this for about 6 minutes. So on it goes and just leave it. Okay, we've done about 6.5 minutes there actually. Sticky but not sticking completely, so let's have that out of there. I'm just going to grab some oil. Right, we want that out of there, so take our dough hook out. A little bit sticky, but that's how it is. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on my hands and we're just going to get in the bottom of this bowl and get all this pulled together. Okay, so we got this fantastic, I mean really fantastic dough. Just look at that. Look at that stuff. That is sticky tacky. Perfect. Right, we just want a little bit of oil in here. Now you can put butter in if you want. That's up to you. Keep it with a butter theme. We're going to dab the top. I'm going to turn it over. And we're going to cover it. We're going to cover it with a plastic bag. It's the plastic bag as usual. And it goes. So we're going to leave it about an hour and then what we'll do is we'll break it into dough balls, carry on with the next stage. There you go. Let's get this up here. There we have our dough. Now what we're going to do is put a little bit of flour on this board. So bob that on there. And we get that out of there. Dump that on there like that. And we're just going to out like this. Now I'm going to take this out nice and gently. Now you could get a rolling pin and you could roll this out quite flat. But you know, we can afford it, can't we? Pizza cutter. Look for about halfway. Zzz. Look for about halfway. So now we've got 4. So you want to be looking at about third in this, like that. I'm going to come through there like that. And we want to come through there like that. So we've got 3. Now they're not going to be completely equal, I can tell you now. And I'm not too fussed about it. Like I say, we're only making a bread roll. You could weigh it all out if you wish. There we go. We got 12 there. And then what we're doing is we're taking our bread and we're just going to squidge it all together, basically, and tuck all these ends in like that. Give it a roll in your hands and just put it to one side while we do all of them. Now this is just a granite worktop, so what we're going to do is we are going to pull all those sides in like that. So we have a ball. Give it a roll. And then that is the side. Now you can flatten it all if you want. Up to you. Put that side down. Now when you roll a bread roll, it's easy. You push and you pull back with your fingers and push, pull back, push, pull back. That is how you roll a bread roll. All these people that roll it round with the hand, well, it's pointless. You might as well roll it round in your hands. So to roll a bread roll, you push forward and pull back with your fingers, and then you just give it a little twisty movement at the same time. So practice makes perfect, but it is really easy, to be honest. And then as you get a little bit quicker, you've got this perfect, and you can see what it's all twisted in. So that goes on our tray. So we're going to take a tray with some parchment paper on, and that bit there, the end, on there. Now we're going to put 6 on here. So that's all the roughed up edges. Look, pull it all in like that. I just do it like this with my fingers actually, but up to you. Okay, and then that, squash it all up like that, on there, push, pull back with your fingers, and a little twist. Just move it round. I move it round with my thumb, like that. And then the bread roll turns in my hand. But you know, that's just practice that does that, you know. We've been doing this for a lot of years. Again, lovely on our tray, nice and steady. And then when you're practiced, you can do 2 at one go. And now we got 2 bread rolls. Okay, there's our beautiful bread rolls ready for our second rise in a plastic cover. And let them rise up. So that's it, we're just going to leave it for about 40 minutes tops. Let it rise up again. I'm going to brush it with some eggs, shove it in the oven. Okay, so what we're going to do is actually shove one on first and then one to follow. Oh, look at those. We're going to get the oven on and we're going on for 160 because I'm using an air fryer. Okay, so let it warm up. Now what we are going to do is egg wash this. Got a little egg here, we're going to give that a little beating up in there. And we'll just chuck in a little bit of water just to actually water it down a little bit. You know, we just want to brush over our bread roll, our brioche roll. So give that a good mix in there. So it's a nice steady egg wash over there. And that's going to give us a nice brown colour on the top. Now if you can get down the sides, and it will stop it from being a real streaky mess. But don't worry if you can't. Okay, so I'm going to take a few sesame seeds and we're just going to put that on there. In fact, it's going to look like a hamburger bun now, but not to worry. So we'll bob them on. Fabulous. They're going to go in the oven. They're going to go in for 20 minutes. Let's get them in. Straight in there. Up we go and set the time. 20 minutes. Done. Okay, they've had 16 minutes. There's 4 minutes to go. And looking at them, they need pulling. They need pulling out. They're done. Just look at those. They're fantastic. There we have it. There's our brioche rolls. They look fantastic. Right, we need to get the other ones in. We know we can cook it in 16 minutes, so that's all we're going for. 16 minutes, and then out they come. These are risen, they're red hot actually. These are risen and slightly joined there, but not to worry, the burger buns, so it's fine. They are cracking. Just leave them to cool down a little minute and then we'll put them on the tray. Let's have those out of there. Oh, come on. Look at those beauties there. What a fantastic sheen on there from the egg. Oh, let's let them cool. We'll shove them on the rack. We're going to slice one open. The smell in here is absolutely off the charts. It's everywhere. The house smells fantastic. Okay, we need to know, don't we? Oh, before I do that, look at that. Oh, these things are still warm. Oh, they're still warm. Look at the crumb in there. Look at that. What a fantastic bread roll. Wow, look at that. That is absolutely flipping awesome. Come on, you can't beat a bread roll with just fresh butter on. Oh, look at that. Well, there's nothing more than getting stuck in. Come on, fresh bread rolls. You can't go wrong. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. Oh. Oh. Wow. That is a delicious, full, rich bread. That is really full. Got a fantastic. It's a bit like a bread cake or a cakey bread. It's a fantastic interior. It's soft, it's full-bodied, it's delicious. Oh man, that is wonderful. Got a really rich flavour through there. Just how a brioche bun should be. Tremendous. Now you can use these for anything, burgers, easy to grill on the grill. Fantastic pan-seared, bit of butter mayo on there, toast it up. Oh, endless. That's brioche buns made, if you like what we're doing. Don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.